Hello, this is Oliver giving you an update on our bold I2C campaign. As you'll probably remember, the first I means innovate, and we do that day in, day out. The second I, and that's the I want to tell you about, is invest. What have we done to invest our operating margins, our state support, and our additional revenues from philanthropy and indirect costs from grants? What have we done to invest that in our people, programs and facilities? And what we're doing in the C is communicating that to you and to everyone who has a stake in our wonderful School of Veterinary Medicine. So let me tell you briefly about each of three key areas this week, and we'll be following on with weekly messaging on what we've done to invest. People. Did you know that we have 26 open faculty positions right now? Several of them are in the space of cancer, both clinical and also in terms of our biomedical research. We're on the verge of recruiting 2 senior principal investigators in cancer biology and immunology to the School of Veterinary Medicine. We're also in the middle of recruiting a new head of the Comparative Biomedical Sciences Department. Really exciting news. In our clinics, we have 2 open positions in emergency and critical care. We have just started in urology and neurosurgery service, and there's lots more besides. Let's talk about programs. And I've already introduced it, but our cancer program is really important to our onward trajectory and to our success, and indeed to the success of LSU as it drives towards the National Cancer Institute Center of Excellence, and we will play our role in that endeavor. We have spent $230,000 beginning to renovate cancer labs in the Department of Comparative Biomedical Sciences, but it's not going to end there. The 2 new PIs will need new state-of-the-art facilities to do their research, and so that investment in renovating those labs and other spaces throughout the building will continue. How about our facilities? Well, the labs are facilities in a way, but I want to just focus here on our wonderful clinical food animal service. We have a food animal service that is truly world-class, and that's down to the people. The facilities were not always world-class, but they soon will be. From the 24th of October, we started our renovation of the clinical space for food animal practice in our hospital, and it's now well underway. And we've made provision to move our clinical practice in food animals to Brightside Farm in the interim. The renovations that are state supported are costing over $3 million to rebuild that part of our hospital and make it truly state-of-the-art, so that finally our wonderful people will have the facilities that match their caliber in which to work day in, day out, week in, week out. And that'll take about a year, but we are well underway. So that's it for this week. People, programs and facilities, to tell you a little bit about how we are investing back into this great school. More news next week. Thanks for listening.